on the bank of a river overlooking the Taipei Bridge, where there's a firework display in celebration of Taiwan's National Day. Taiwan's National Day is October 10th, so the 10th day of the 10th month, so they refer to it as Double 10 Day. For those of you who might know something about Taiwan's history, Taiwan considers itself to be an independent sovereign nation. But mainland China, the People's Republic of China, lay claim to Taiwan, so therefore they do not refer to today as their Independence Day, but rather their National Day. There are quite a few people who have come to this area to witness the fireworks display. It started in a very low-key way and I was somewhat disappointed, but as you can see, the displays have become more and more elaborate and more beautiful. The kaleidoscope of colors and a wide array of images. Earlier on in a video that I took earlier on, there were some letters, but I started my recording a little late and I was unable to catch what the words were. But I can remember seeing an E and a heart. For those of you who might be wondering, what I'm actually recording this display with is a Kodak EasyShare camera. It's not a camcorder, and I do hope that it can capture the essence and the feel, the aura of what is taking place here. Like I said earlier, there's quite a few people here, but unfortunately the lighting does not allow for me to show you the crowd. So, and I think that you'd be more interested in seeing the fireworks displays. Anyways. There goes another heart. In Chinese you call it an ai shin. I for love and shin for heart. Also, I must say that this fireworks display is a lot more impressive than the one I saw on New Year's Day at Iling-i, which at that time was the world's tallest building. Iling-i is the Taipei 101 tower, a building that has 101 floors. Back then the fireworks were good, but then there was just too much smoke, so it was really difficult to see the displays. But here we have, the sky's a little overcast, but it still allows for us to see the displays pretty well. I think that's the end of the fireworks display, which started at 8 o'clock. It has been going on for about 31 minutes now. And I think from what I heard, from what my friend told me, it was supposed to go on for 30 minutes. So I end this recording.